This is the Gunner Hunter cap gun series. It's a Beretta side-by-side shotgun.
To operate this cap gun, first, we will move the lever to the right. You'll push down on the barrel. You'll grab the 2 shells. You'll take one of the single caps out, and you'll push it snugly into the hole. Then you'll push the 2 shells into the chamber, and you'll put it down. There's also 2 triggers on this. First trigger fires first barrel, second trigger fires second barrel. This is the safety. Push up to lock, push down to unlock. Now you're ready to shoot.